They get mad at me if I leave them outside. I'll take them out there and go play ball with them once in a while. Can you pay for like $50/H for like 8x B2 for training and infurance? By the way, you skipped my message. Did I skip your message? I'm sorry. Yeah, I mean, you could. Hey, BMW, let me get back to you. I skipped Mr. Brett's message here. You already see. Okay, I didn't mean that. Yeah, corporate world. Only thing that matters. Okay, I saw that. What message did I skip, bud? I don't see the one that you're talking about. If you ask again. So BMW, what I'm building is a agentic development environment tool. Let me see where it's at right now. So it looks like it's done and it was shipped. So you guys should see the new model coming up, 1.12. So the new model's out for you guys. So this is the tool that I built, that I'm building right here. And let's go ahead and run that. I hate it when it ships. I wanted to test it first before it ships it, so I don't know if it's going to be broken or not. We'll find out. For the YouTube figure AI. For YouTube. Oh, you asked if you said he was live. You said it's live right now on YouTube figure AI. Yeah, I don't know who it is. I haven't watched him. I've been too busy. I hate how slow each terminal loads. Hey, thank you, BMW. It's still brand new. It's still fresh. So there's a lot of issues and bugs that I'm still working out. This is one of them. I've been trying though. So technically right now we're beta testing it. And that panel alert showed back up. That was supposed to be fixed. You guys won't see this on your guys' side. When you download it and install it, it shouldn't happen to you. Why it's happening to me is because I'm building different models, different versions, and my cached models that reloads all these the team here for me, the actual cache is corrupted. And I can't even exit the frame because the whole thing's taken over. Let them catch up. For YouTube AI, it's a company for humanoid robots. You could watch for like 10 to 15 seconds. Yeah, I'll check it out here in a second. Hey, thank you, BMW. This isn't my only tool that I'm working on. This isn't where I think I'm going to make my money. It's actually going to be my SaaS here. This is where the big bucks are going to be from. This is just a little side project I've been working on. Let me check that out here. So on YouTube, it's called. Do I put Y2 or just figure AI? So he's live stream right now. Oh, you're talking about the robot here? Yeah, I've seen them before. There's all these companies. Elon's making one. There's a bunch of them making them. There's actually a robot right now. This is what's funny. Let's see if I can find it here. Neo. This is it. So this one right here, you can already buy it right now. You go and order. It's called Neo. This robot would do your chores for you, vacuum, and all sorts of things. Carry your groceries in. I don't know if you guys knew about this one or not. And it's an actual real robot. But the thing is, it's not as smart as they say it is. There's actually a human, like, okay, you know those AI cars that drives people around as a taxi, and they're autonomous. But when they get stuck, a human has to take control of the car and drive it remotely. That's actually what happens with this one. There's a human that'll take control of it remotely if it gets stuck or there's an issue. And they're trying to put these in people's homes. So think about that. But yeah, this is Neo. And what do I think of that one that you're showing me? This one here? Same thing. It's if they get stuck, there's a human that's going to take over and you know, make sure it's going to do its job. But other than that, it's programmed to, right, it looks like it's doing some sorting right now. And they got more robots back here walking around. Like these two are like overseeing this one. And the technology is getting better and better every year. And pretty soon this is going to be a norm. You're going to walk into McDonald's and you're going to have some robot there taking your order. It's going to be everywhere. Right now, they're just they're testing it, trying it, figuring it out, and improving on it. Hey, Lego. Welcome back. What can I recommend to you if you haven't already done it to connect your domain to Google Search Console? I already did. So I definitely did that for my SOE content. Google Search Console. Yeah. And I forgot which, I tried signing in with my other account, and I already set these up. So, but it's asking me to do it again. I already started finish verification. Yeah. There it is. Here, this is what I did right here. So, yeah, I've already did it. And this is important for anybody who's building any SaaS or any types of websites. You want to be able to make sure Google can crawl your website without any issues. And you also want to provide content which people can use for search terms that'll help direct traffic to your site. So, for example, I have a blog here, which gives you, like, I have tips, news, and change logs here. And each one of these, they're just articles, as all they are. So that just, the blog is more for the site, but also have an academy here, which is more generalized for the industries. And I like it. Let's just say you want to start a landscaping company. You come in here, and this will tell you how to start a landscaping business from scratch. Right? I actually designed this. This will tell you, it'll give you all the details on how to start it. Why landscaping is strong. You got to pick your model, whether solo, two-person, whatever. And it breaks down the prices, how much you got to spend, the tiers to go through from starter here to, building up your company and when you got a full crew. But this is all content to drive traffic to my site. Do you read blogs on sites? It depends on the site, but yeah, I do. So if I want information, news, or if someone has a site that does research, they have blogs on it. Yeah. Slop engine optimization. You think what mine is slop for optimizing? Is that what you're saying? Or are you talking about Google search optimization? SOE. I mean, it's a necessary evil, right? So you got to make sure your pages can index. It'll give you any issues. This is redirect error, which is not a hurt in mine at all. So that's normal. But you want to make sure that you get clicks. They already got 29 clicks, 125 impressions, and these are natural impressions. I'm not paying for this at all. This is all free. And these are queries. Wi-Fi near me. I got one impression. Someone typed in Wi-Fi near me, and my site showed up. So I had 3 people looking for Plyrium Forge, Googling it, and my site came up. And then I had people actually just typing in Plyrium. So that's interesting. Let's tell me the countries, what pages they're landing on, devices they're on. No data there. Yeah, and each day. So it's interesting. What am I fixing on at the moment? So this issue right here is one of them. I just rebuilt this, so let me. So the pane failed to start. I can't close this terminal because I got this big window blocking it. I don't think it's a bug in the actual tool itself. I think it's a cache issue with the terminal and the sessions from all the different builds I've been doing and testing by exiting the teams and rebuilding teams. But definitely look into this. I need you to have your team analyze the image and see if they can figure out what's causing the issue. The AI generated blog post. Oh, the one that my AI does, yeah. But I'm not trying to reach to people who understand what AI looks like. I'm reaching to people who work out in the field, who does your plumber, your electrician. Those are the people I'm reaching out to. They couldn't tell the difference between an AI post and a human post. Not to degrade their abilities, it's not at all. It's just that they don't have the time to understand the differences. Like, see that big dash right there? AI does that. Humans don't use that character at all. That's a big tall tale sign that it was AI. And AI loves using it everywhere. You come in here, you'll start to see more of it. Look at that. See that big dash right there? So when you're looking at websites, you see that big dash, you know it's AI written. That's a big clue. But most technicians aren't going to care. They're not going to worry about it. Do I use Cloud Code or Codex, and what do you prefer? I use both. I have both descriptions, and I'm actually going back and forth even in my model here. So as you can see, I have Codex for my development team. I'm using Claude for my researcher and auditor, and Claude for my director. Is it my preferred method? No, I'm always constantly changing them around. I even have open code here to use free AI, and I use that for certain things as well, like internet queries and things, or it can actually use some coding too. It's really good. One of the challenges I want to do later on, once I get this more established and stable, is I want to build a whole project on open code and free AI only, start to finish. I want to build a real nice tool or a website, a SaaS website using that to show people that it's possible. You just prompt them not to do that, like not to add big slashes. Yeah, you could prompt them to do that. You clean it up. M dash from being a symbol of experts to AI. M dash. I don't know what M dash is. M dash from being a symbol of experts. I'm not sure.